What's happening, everybody? Jim Laird, joining live from Messiah, Nicaragua. And I don't know if you can even hear me, but this is pretty cool. I was invited to a premiere opening of Lit Fit. The gym culture is alive and well here in Nicaragua. Park Central, the center of Messiah, is just that way. And if you are wondering about visiting Messiah or visiting Nicaragua, moving here and having a place to work out, the gym culture here is absolutely insane. Just about every town you'll go to will have a gym. I hope you can hear me. Part of the reason I'm out here is because I wanted you to experience the loudness of Latin culture. So when they party here, they party. But let's head on inside. Let's check out what this place looks like. This is a nicer facility than a lot of places in the U.S. So let's go out here. Let's try not to get hit by a car. And this is a really nice place. Like, I'm really impressed. Hopefully you'll be able to hear me because the music is effing loud. Alright, so here we go. We're going to cross the street without getting killed. But this place is impressive. They love their music here. So we have turf. I guess they're getting some sleds. They're going to have some sleds. And of course, lots of bench presses. The cool thing about here is they just can't afford air conditioning, so everything's ventilated. Everybody comes in the morning. Everybody comes in the evening. Of course, the normal group, they'll probably have air conditioning in here. So like they'll have fans and a door with the group fitness class. Of course, the ever dreaded spinning, which I'm not a fan of, but that's okay. That's a different topic for a different day. Of course, lots of bench presses. I am pretty impressed. This place has up to 100-pound dumbbells. The fact that they have turf is great. But like, I mean, this is great. I mean, the quality of the machines here, Life Fitness dumbbells, who knows how the hell much that costs to get shipped in here. Tons of incline benches. I love this shoulder fly machine. That's a great machine. The thing I love about, you can't even find these in the US, the alternate pulley. So you can do alternating pull downs, one of my favorite things. You can do they have the alternating row set up as well over here, which is awesome. And of course, lots of Smith machines, lots of cable towers. They've even got this old school inverted leg press. The ladies seem to love this thing. I will actually use this as a bench press. Like, I will launch it into the air, which is pretty cool. They've actually got a cafe here, smoothie bar, which is really cool. The thing about all the gyms here is they have monstrous amounts of leg equipment. You will find every piece of leg equipment here known to man. The women love to train their legs. They'll have every kind of leg press, every kind of booty blaster you've ever seen in your life. Like, here's two glute bridges, like Brett Contreras would have a wet dream in this gym. There's every kind of booty blaster you've ever imagined. Really solid squat rack. Some really solid leg presses. I mean, they even got the nice little handle to help you up. I mean, a lot of gyms in the US don't even have this quality of stuff. I mean, look at this. Great. And then, of course, the hack squat. Really solid hack squat here. I love the hack squat, especially for beginners. We'll get into that sometime. I'm hoping that I'm pretty good friends with the owner of this place. I'm hoping he'll let me come in here and film some stuff when it's closed in exchange for some promotion. I think that would be good. But they don't have all their equipment yet, but man, this is a great, great place. They have a big old cardio area upstairs. We're gonna go up there. They've actually got manually driven treadmills. I love. Hold up. So you get used to it. Hold up. What is this? Hold up. Hold up. So this is great. Like, you don't see these very often. I love these manually driven sprint treadmills. These things are freaking legit. You don't see these in the US. Why? Because they suck. They suck a lot. They're horrible. You drive the treadmill yourself. This is the kind of treadmill you want to work on. You don't want a real like a treadmill that drives it. You want to drive it. Like, most treadmills drive you. This is a wonderful thing to do sprints on and work on your sprinting. Power walk, lateral shuffle, low push. This is also could be used as a sled. So one of my favorite treadmills right here. So you won't hear me say that much about a treadmill. Best thing to do with a treadmill is push it with it turned off. So man, this is a great place. So like, hey, if you're like thinking about, you know, visiting Nicaragua, staying down here for like a month, taking a break, saving some money, and you're worried about where am I going to train? If you're near any decent sized city, you are going to have an unbelievable choice of gyms. You're probably going to have a nicer, unless you're out in a beach community in the middle of nowhere, you're probably going to have a nicer gym than the gym you're currently working at in the US. This place is absolutely insane. So, and of course the music is off the chart. So, give you one more look. I can barely hear myself think. And just to mention, there's a number of gyms here in Messiah that are just as nice as this. This is pretty nice. So there you go. If you're in Nicaragua, there's plenty of options for you to train. The gym culture here is alive and well. People work really hard. I hope you have yourself a great day. This afternoon I'm going to be doing a live on YouTube. It'll be live on here on Instagram too. And we'll be talking about how not to get in your own way. So hopefully you heard me talking because obviously the music here is loud. If you don't like loud music, don't move to Latin America. There's going to be loud music everywhere you go. Sometimes when I'm trying to have a quiet dinner, I will actually pay them to turn the music down, which is pretty funny. But, well, so here we are. Goodbye from Lit Fit in Messiah. It is basically on one of the main streets. So maybe one day you'll be able to visit and check it out. Have yourself a great day. Let me see if there's anybody with any questions. No questions. Hi, Rebecca Bowers. Have yourself a great day, everyone. Take care.